drivers, thanks for checking in. We're gonna take a little break today to go out to a local car show. It may get a little nasty. It's Florida's version of cold and rainy today, but that's cool. We're gonna go be with friends and be around a bunch of VWs, and it's gonna give us a little bit of a recharge here. We're still making great progress on Dweezil. The electrical is going great. It's a much bigger project than I expected it to be, which is kind of the usual around here, but I'm having a lot of fun with it. So the electrical's cool. It's still gonna do some interesting things, and I can't wait to share a lot of the details with you. I did hit a little bit of a snag. I was thinking, you know what? I might drive the Bug to today's show, and I tried to install the windshield. I had good help with me, but I messed it up. This was totally my fault. So gonna regroup on that one. Already have another windshield to go in its place, but it's one of those things. Sometimes you hit little bumps in the road, right? So today we're gonna ignore that bump in the road and go have some fun at the Sanford VW Show. Come along. It really would have been cool to take the Bug today. I wish we could have done that, but we'll get there. And besides, when you go in a splitty instead, really can't complain much. So this is going to be a good time in just about any vehicle. You think? Yeah, he's cool with it. Had the rear side pipe running board option. Here we are at the 2022 Sanford, Florida VW Show. Pretty cool venue for all of this. You can see there's lots of space for the cars back here. And then Henry's Depot behind me that has a bunch of different booths with coffee places and seafood places and whatever else. Is kind of a neat place inside there. All the way down the main drag behind me now is where the bus is. We're gonna go catch up with Tig and take a look at a few cars on the way. This little gem is my swap meet score for the day. This is actually called a vibrator. It's a voltage regulator for the gas gauge so that it gets exactly 12 volts regardless of whether the generator is spun up or not or whatever, right? So this is a little voltage regulator just for the gas gauge, so its reading doesn't change as the voltage coming out of the generator fluctuates. Everything's going to stay consistent on your gas gauge, so a good find for the day. Time to get back to work on Dweezil. We're gonna finish up the electrical, gonna figure out the thing with the windshield and the rest of the windows, and then I think we're pretty good to do some test drives. So thanks for tagging along with me to the Sanford VW Show here in January of 2022. I hope you have cool shows that you can go to and catch up with your VW friends and see some cool cars at the same time. But thanks for tuning in, and we will see you again in the next video. Take care, everybody.